Yo, family, look at this, man. These are all men, yeah, dressed up as women. Robotoids, yeah. Watch the faces, they're men dressed up as women. See that man, they're all men, yeah. People united, all lives matter, here again, yeah. Let's get this out there, but the Robotoids Not Clones.
In Russia as well as in the West, research has been underway for many years in biological synthesis. That is, artificial life forms. And according to High Intelligence, a stunning breakthrough took place in Russia some years ago. The Russians refer to this breakthrough as a providential discovery, something they learned almost by accident. They discovered the key to creating what are known as organic robotoids. An organic robotoid is an artificial robot-like creature. It looks and acts exactly like a human being, and yet it is not human. A robotoid is alive in the biological sense, but it is an artificial life form. Robotoids respond to conventional routine medical tests in the same way as humans do. They eat, they drink, they breathe, they bleed if cut, and they can be killed. Robotoids can also think, but they think only in the sense that a computer thinks. Like any other computer, the brain of a robotoid has to be programmed for each assignment it is given. But unlike many electronic computers, the biological computer brain of a robotoid possesses an enormous memory. As a result, robotoids can be programmed to communicate and think in such complex patterns that they act human.
Yeah, what it said, family, act, human, act, yeah? They act human, yeah, they can think, but they're robots in it, so obviously they can think, not think as like humans, but like, obviously they're programmed in it, so the more programs you put on the robotoid, the more they can think, innit? Come on, family.
So, what would you little maniacs like to do first?
Organic robotoids are remarkable creatures, but they have many drawbacks. They don't grow or reproduce, but must be manufactured one by one in the desired form. They also have a very limited lifespan, measured in months or even weeks, depending upon how they are utilized. This is due to the fact that their metabolism, while it resembles that of humans, is very inefficient. A robotoid can be manufactured on very short notice, a matter of hours. But after a few weeks or months, it suddenly begins to degenerate physically and mentally. When that takes place, the robotoid has to be removed from service and disposed of. To extend its use...
Now you see what's happening when they're putting all these celebrities in the so-called rehabilitation, what the hell that word is? Rehabilitation center, yeah? That's what's happening when they're going in there. They're getting rid of the old robotoid and replacing them with the new robotoid. When people are going into jail, yeah, and we're thinking that outcomes they look different. But no clone, but they're robotoids. Robotoids. What's going on there?
Useful life as much as possible, a robotoid is customarily cooled down to slow its metabolism between assignments. Organic robotoids are extremely expensive, troublesome creatures to produce and utilize. And robotoid capabilities do not exceed those of human beings. All they can really do is simulate human beings. But my friends, for intelligence purposes, that's all they have to do. To produce an organic robotoid, it is necessary to have a pattern to go by. The pattern required is that of genetic coding, taken from a few cells from the body of a human being. In this respect, the Russian technique sounds like cloning, but the technique itself is totally unrelated to genuine cloning. A robotoid is produced within a matter of hours, and it simulates the human donor at his current age. Like any man-made copy of anything, a robotoid...
Hours, yeah? Did you see what he said? Hours, yeah? Not no putting no incubator and put wires to them and wait 3 days to 6 months to 3 months or whatever. Hours, family, hours.
It is never a perfect copy of the human that is to be simulated. There's always small discrepancies in appearance and behavior, but these are seldom great enough to arouse any suspicion. Last month, I revealed that the Russians can manufacture organic robotoids, which are almost exact carbon copies of real human beings. This is done by a process that simulates the genetic coding of the person to be copied. It sounds a little like cloning, but it's not. A clone of a human would itself be a human, but an organic robotoid is not human. It's an artificial life form, like an animal in some ways, but like a computerized machine in others. Every Russian
What's going on, yeah? I know this video is too massive, yeah, that's why they don't want us to get it out there, family, but it's gonna come out. Why is it doing that though? Family, this is real, family, this is real. Yeah. Big video, yo. Big video, yeah. Talking about no connection and all this foolishness. What is going on, yeah? Yeah. I have to make this video again, family, because right now it's telling me there's no connection and there's blatant connection. Yeah, let's see what I go on.